Hello, welcome to our pitch video. I'm Logan, and this is my associate, Ian. Join us as we walk through this information video.
Parents, are you frustrated with your emo son or daughter? Are you embarrassed by your goth kid? Do you have your kids play their loud, frightening music at all hours of the night? Well, if you're a parent of a goth kid or an emo child, well then this kit is for you. The Home Exorcism Kit.
We'll guide you through the necessary steps to bring order to your household. This kit will include several items to combat the demons that possess your children. In this kit, you will find a Bible, holy water, a crucifix, and step-by-step instructional DVD.
That's right, Logan. The Home Exorcism Kit will rid your child of the need to dress in black, pierce and mutilate their bodies, and walk around in an overall depression. Here at Holy Ink, we have studied the various music cultures and have fine-tuned this kit for your needs.
So parents, you'll no longer live in fear with your child. The first sign of improvement will be their general appearance. This kit will expel all demons from your house. You can once again walk in the public with your child and not have people stop, stare, and point at your horribly dressed child.
Thank you for your time. We know the Home Exorcism Kit will be the right choice for you. I'm Ian.
I'm Logan. And if the power of Christ compels you, you will buy this exorcism kit.